All right, so this example here has to deal also with decimals and percents, right? So here we have Jackie who wants to buy a concert ticket that costs $250, but she found an online coupon for 15% off. And the question is, how much will she end up paying, not including tax? So again, this is very similar to all those percent problems where you have a coupon or you get a raise. The first thing you have to do is find the percent of 250, right? So first thing we have to do here is change the 15% to a decimal, which we just do by moving the decimal point twice, right? So if you don't have a decimal, it's at the very end, and then you just move it twice to the left, and I get 0.15. Now from here, to find 15% of 250, I do have to multiply the decimal I just found with the total. So remember, her total in her cart ends up being 250. In the real world, right, we would have taxes and stuff, but they're telling us not to worry about it. So I just multiply those out. So if you go ahead and take out your calculator, go ahead and put that in, and we find out that that equals 37.50. A lot of people are just going to stop here and be like, boom, I have an answer and I'm done. But be very careful. Remember, this is a coupon and this is a real world problem. So after you find the coupon discount, to answer the question, we still have to subtract it. If we were talking about raises or like a bonus on your salary, you would add it. But since this is talking about coupons, when I throw the word sale in there or anything that has to do with a deduction, you have to subtract it. So don't tear up yet, right? But we just have to do one last thing before I find our answer. So her total cost was $250. Her coupon ends up saving her $37.50. So very good. We just subtract those. Be careful with the decimals there, right? And my final answer ends up being 212.50. If you do this on the homework, don't forget to put your dollar signs since we're talking about money. And there you go. That's all you have to do. So just remember the steps. Change your percent to a decimal, multiply, and then either add or subtract depending on the product.